Professor Atkins, could I get some help with my chemistry lab?
Certainly, Julie. What's the problem? Are you having trouble understanding some of the experiments?
Oh no, I understand the experiment. Perhaps I only think that I understand it.
What do you mean? Do you or don't you?
Well, I tried the latest experiment by myself based on what I understood from your lectures and lab session, but I seem to come up with really different results from what the textbook indicates I should be getting.
That certainly is a possibility. Remember, the textbook tends to give you an ideal explanation of the experiments, but in real life, any number of factors can cause you to get results that might not be the ideal or preferred outcome.
Oh, that's good. So any result is acceptable?
No, of course there is a range. For this particular experiment, I'd expect your answer to be within, let's see now, perhaps 4 or 5% of the textbook.
Really? My answer was nearly 10% off. Wouldn't that be all right?
I'm sorry, but that would be a problem. If your answer were that far from the proper answer, and say that even if you could explain the difference, I would have to lower your grade significantly.
I see. All right. I guess I'm going to have to redo it. I want to do well in your class and can't afford to get a bad grade.
Very good. But you'll have to hurry. The lab is due Friday, and I won't be giving any extensions.
Oh, I was hoping...
Yes?
Oh, it's nothing. Well, could you please sign a permission slip for me to use the lab after hours? I only have time during late evenings this weekend.
Sure. I'll do that for you right now. Here you go. And a tip. Before you start the experiment, wipe the test tubes with alcohol. There might be unwanted residue inside that might be affecting the result.
Questions 31 to 35 refer to the following professor's lecture. First, take some time to read the questions 31 to 35.